This one got smacked dead center here in the butt.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Honda Civic here. This one got smacked dead center here in the butt, so it's getting a new rear body panel. I have the new panel right here. I actually thought from the pictures in the computer it looked like it came with these side braces as well, but it turns out it doesn't. So I'm going to make some pulls on this. I might end up having to have them order these corner braces inside of here as well. I'll see how it all pulls out, and then if I need to order those, I'll have them order those as well. So it turns out, I'm looking at the procedures here, and I kind of noticed when I was trying to get it out, the way it's sandwiched in here, it actually requires the replacement of these gussets on the sides. So I'm going to go talk to the office and see if they can get those two pieces ordered, because there's no way I'm going to be able to get the new piece up in there. Well, it turns out I did already have these parts here. I was wrong, so I'm going to get those cut out now. Alright, I got this one all fit together. I got my tail light gaps and everything fitting really nice. It seals and latches good, nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this rear body panel welded on, and then I'll have to start doing the braces. There is these braces that go inside of here. So once I get that welded, then I'll start getting these prepped out and ready. And then there's another braces that go down on top of those. So well, I got this one as far as I can go until I get these little plates that go inside of here. So those aren't going to be here till tomorrow. So this one's going to be on hold, and then I'll finish it up tomorrow and send it over to the paint shop once I get those pieces welded in.